Top 10 steps for volatile data collection in real world scenarios. For that, we can use 10 steps. First one is identify the scope of the incident. To identify the scope of incident and continue the steps, we are opening a command prompt with administrator level and type who am I and hostname and system info. Who am I? As you can see, we can identify the current login users and collects system details like OS versions, install patches, and hardware. It helps to establish the scope of the compromise. In real world impact, useful in ransomware cases where attackers create new admin accounts. We can identify the new admin accounts by running this command because it shows the currently login users. As you can see. And next one is listing running processes. We can use a command like task list -v task list -v. By this command, we can list all the running processors, including hidden malwares, and we can show CPU memory usage and window titles. For real-world impacts, it detects malicious process that do not appear in Task Manager, like this. And also, we can capture memory network connections by giving the command nested anno. Nested anno. By this command, we can display all the active network connections and their process IDs. And it helps to detect command and control communications like C2. And real world, it helps track data exfiltrations attempts. And next, we can capture active user sessions. To capture active user sessions, we can use a command like query user, and next, it helps to identify unauthorized remote accesses and extract ARP table for network tracing. For that, we use ARP-A, ARP-A, and it displays the MAC addresses of connected devices, and it helps identify rough devices in the network. And in real world, useful for detecting man-in-the-middle attacks because it shows all the MAC addresses connected devices. And then next we can uh, dump memory for advanced forensics. For that, we are using a command like winpem.exe dash O. And we can give the file path that we want. Okay. As you can see, it capture a full runtime for analysis with volatility. In real world, extract encryption keys, malware artifacts, and hidden processes. And then we can list running servers. For that, we can use web services list brief. Web services list brief. As you can see, it lists all the running Windows services, including hidden malwares. In real world, it helps detect persistence mechanisms used by attackers. It shows the exit code, name, and process ID, and start mode, auto, manual, like that, and the state, running no stop. And the status is okay or right. And next, we can check active scheduled task by using a command sch task slash query slash for list slash p. With this command, it lists all the scheduled tasks, including backdoors created by attackers. In real world, it helps to detect malicious persistence techniques. And next, we can extract DNS caches for malicious domains. It shows resolve domain names. We can use the command ipconfig slash display DNS. With this command, it shows recently resolved domain names, and it's useful for detecting connection to malicious connection and malicious servers. As you can see, it shows the record names, record type, and the time to leave, data length, session, and CNAME record, connection name record. And also last one is save and secure all collected data. For that, we can use a command and copy the path. then enter. It saves all the collected data in forensic folder for further analysis. In real world, it ensures that evidence is preserved and not altered. We can save all the collected data in the forensic folder for further analysis. Thank you.